Hello, I'm Sophie Scott. Welcome to Healthwatch. Doctors in America are calling it the dawn of the stem cell age. The world's first official trial using embryonic stem cells on a human patient has begun in the US. The paralysed patient is having the cells injected into the spine in the hope the nerves will regrow. These are embryonic stem cells, which many scientists believe are the future of regenerative medicine. For the first time, they're being used on humans.
It's important because these are embryonic stem cells. These are the most potent stem cells we have available for therapy. They can make all the 200 different cell types of the body, and they can make them in real quantity.
The cells have been injected into a patient who was paralysed from the chest down. The hope is that the cells will recoat damaged nerve cells so the patient can regain the ability to move.
What stem cells promise for a heart attack or a spinal cord injury or diabetes is you go to the hospital, you receive these cells, and you go home with a repaired organ.
In animal trials, paralysed rats regained some movement, leading to the approval for this human trial. But use of the cells remains controversial, as they're gathered from embryos left over from fertility treatments. This first trial will check if the cells are safe. It will be a while before doctors know if they're effective as well. They say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but new research indicates that might not be true, that the brain might have other ways of learning new things. Scientists have uncovered what they're calling a second learning system, which may help people with brain damage or Alzheimer's disease.
Almost 1 million Australians are expected to have dementia by 2050. Now a discovery by a team of Australian and American scientists may lead to an easing of that estimate.
We might be able to access this second memory system when the main memory systems are somewhat impaired.
When a part of the brain is damaged through Alzheimer's or brain injury, sufferers not only lose their memories, they lose the thinking skills to carry out everyday tasks. Scientists say they've now discovered an alternative pathway for learning.
For us as scientists, it's a very exciting finding that there's a second switch on nerve cells that can be activated in certain circumstances to bring about the formation of memory.
Researchers say this second pathway may enable people to relearn how to think.
It's switched on during a second learning event, which is somewhat similar to a first, but nevertheless different.
Scientists say the discovery now opens the door for the development of drugs or cognitive therapies to help people enhance their second memory. And researchers say it may also revolutionise the classroom. Teachers in the future may be armed with cognitive tools to potentially help children tap into extra memory and new learning capabilities.
And too much light during the night could lead to weight gain, according to a new report. Researchers found that mice exposed to a dim light at night had a weight gain of about 50% greater than other mice. So close those curtains at night. That's all for Healthwatch. See you next time.